Is your GNOME desktop constantly cluttered with overlapping windows? Let's change that. We've all been there, dragging windows around, trying to keep workspaces organized. It gets frustrating fast. That's why I created ScreenToSpace, a simple GNOME extension that organizes your workspace automatically. Just maximize a window, and watch it smoothly move to a clean, empty workspace. No dragging, no effort, no interruption. Full screen in app, and it instantly gets its own workspace, perfect for videos, presentations, or gaming. Using 2 monitors, ScreenToSpace manages each display independently, keeping both screens neat and focused. And if you want to personalize how it behaves, the settings panel gives you full control. Simple toggles, clean options, and full flexibility. See the difference for yourself. A cluttered, chaotic workspace transformed into a clean, organized flow. If you want a smoother, more focused GNOME experience, install ScreenToSpace on the GNOME Extensions website and give your workspace the upgrade it deserves. ScreenToSpace, your workspace, automatically organized. Want to support the project or get in touch? You can find the GitHub repo, my Buy Me a Coffee link, and my LinkedIn profile in the description below.